Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another free card kit of the month video. In order to get this free card kit sent right to your door, you just have to use the host code in the online store when you're shopping with me. You'll find the current host code on my blog and in a lot of different places. I also post it on my Facebook page as well. So for today's video, it seems like it's a little different because I'm actually speaking while I'm working, and normally I do a voiceover. In case you didn't know, I've hurt myself and I have some nerve damage in my leg and hip, and it's hard for me to sit. So I can't sit and do this video twice by doing a voiceover on top. I hope you understand. It's going to seem a little weird. We're going to use the Delicate Dahlias, and I think I'm going to use this Thank You Kindly sentiment. Now you can use, in these card kits, I leave it open, so you don't have to choose what or you don't have to purchase this or whatever. You just use what you have. That is the beauty of the card kit. So just grabbed an acrylic block, and you're going to see a whole bunch of little papers. I wanted to have a sentiment that fits inside this teeny tiny little die cut. And this die cut is from the printed label dies. So I'm going to start first. I'm going to esse, I think maybe I'll go with Flirty Flamingo. Let's be different, shall we? All right, and you can see that this barely fits. So I put it sideways. That's perfect. Looks great. Now to get to our putting together. So you'll see a piece of designer series paper, a 3x3 square and a 1.5 by 3 square. So I'm going to adhere this one first. And I'm using Seal Plus. So we're going to put that one down, and I'm going to check on all three sides, 1, 2, 3, that looks great. And then on this little piece, I will do the same, but on the bottom. So it will overlap a little bit, just like that. That looks great. All right, I'll do the same on this side. Now, the paper that I used was Pattern Party Designer Series paper. You'll find it on page 171, and it is a host item from the annual catalog. And it's super fun. It's got a lot of bright colors. And, you know, if you wanted to swap it over and just put black and white, you totally could. But I'm not wasting a colorful side of the paper just using black and white. But it is up, it is up to you. So if I make all three sides, 1, 2, 3, equal, I usually will have the fourth side even. That is my general rule. And then I will do the same for this. It's got a little bit of an overhang. Don't worry too much if there's a little paper showing. There is a swash of ribbon in your card kit. So the thing is that I often don't have a ton of ribbon to be able to make the card kits from. So this ribbon it might be different than the ribbon that you have in your kit. I tried to keep with the same color, of course, and I don't remember names of ribbons. But this is tear tape, and then I'm going to place, this is a really nice ribbon. It's It's like a crochet almost. So there it is. Okay. And I will trim that ribbon down just a touch. Let me get my ribbon scissors, and always trim on an angle so that we get less fraying. And this one happens to be green, still matches with what the motif that I was going for, which is bright and colorful. I know a lot of people were moving into Christmas cards right now, or fall cards, but it's still a celebratory month for me. I just had my birthday. So I start other cards, fall cards, Halloween cards, that kind of stuff. I start them in September. No sense in rushing the season. All right, so your card bases, they are not, they're just folded. They're not scored. I say a lot, I'm sorry. When I do my voiceovers, I have a tendency to be able to cut out the ums. All right, so you can see how this card is coming together. Simple, easy. Card kits are fun, and they should not be hard to put together. The whole idea is to get you sitting at your craft room and being inspired by this card, or taking this design and improving on it, like I know you will, because you guys are better crafters than me. All right, I'm going to take some of my dimensional adhesive, and I'm going to place them on my sentiment pieces. Tried to make that as quick as possible, you guys. And I think I'm going to put that one just straddling the ribbon. Maybe just on top of the ribbon. All right, that's where that one's going to go. I'll put this one over here. A little bit different. Now, of course, if you had embellishments that you wanted to use on these cards, please do so. And also, if you wanted to put a white piece on the inside, please do so. And if you want to stamp it with your name on the back, please do so. These cards are yours. The cards in the kit are yours to play with. So I appreciate you watching. And I will put a list of all the supplies I used today in the video's See More section, or in the supplies section of my blog, where you'll see this video as well. So the links will take you to my Canadian online store, and you can shop there using the host code. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your patience as I try to get back into my crafting chair. It's sometimes quite difficult. Anyway, I will see you again soon. Bye for now.